Greetings, health enthusiasts, and thank you for joining us today in our discussion on the Healthy You channel. You need to watch this if you struggle with flexibility. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of stretching and calisthenics. We'll demonstrate effective pre-workout and post-workout stretches, and show you how to incorporate calisthenics into your routine for a healthier, more flexible you. Let's get started. Stretching. It's the key to unlocking your body's full potential. We're talking increased flexibility, better workouts, and a healthier you. Feeling stiff and achy? Stretching can help. Want to move with ease? Stretching is your answer. So are you ready to experience the amazing benefits of stretching? Let's dive in. Before you jump into your workout, take a few minutes to stretch. Your body will thank you. Here are a few simple yet effective stretches to get you started. Shoulder stretch. Gently pull your arm across your chest. Hold for 15 seconds. Feel the stretch in your shoulder and upper back. Repeat on the other side. Tricep. Stretch. Reach your arm overhead and bend your elbow. Gently pull your elbow with your other hand. Hold for 15 seconds. You should feel this in your tricep. Repeat on the other side. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs straight out. Reach for your toes. Hold for 15 seconds. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. These stretches will help improve your flexibility, range of motion, and prevent injuries. Remember to breathe deeply and listen to your body. Calisthenics are your secret weapon for a powerful workout. These exercises use your body weight for resistance, building strength and endurance. Before your workout, try these calisthenics. Jumping jacks. Get your heart pumping and your blood flowing. Do 20 reps. High knees, bring those knees up high, do 20 reps. Butt kicks, kick those heels to your glutes, do 20 reps. After your workout, focus on these cool down calisthenics. Plank, hold for 30 seconds, engage your core. Side plank, hold for 30 seconds on each side. This strengthens your obliques. Bird dog, start on all fours, lift one arm and the opposite leg. Hold for a few seconds, repeat on the other side. Do 10 reps on each side. This strengthens your core and back. Stretching isn't just about fitness. It's about feeling your best, inside and out. Here's how stretching boosts your overall wellness. Stress relief. Stretching releases endorphins, your body's natural mood boosters. Feeling stressed? Take a few minutes to stretch and feel the tension melt away. Improved posture. Sitting for long periods can wreak havoc on your posture. Stretching helps lengthen and strengthen the muscles that support your spine, leading to better posture and reduced back pain. Increased energy levels. Stretching improves blood flow and circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs. This can leave you feeling energized and revitalized. Listen to your body, avoiding injuries. Stretching should never hurt. It's about gently easing into a stretch, listening to your body's signals. Here are some tips to avoid injuries. First, warm up first. Never stretch cold muscles. Always warm up with light cardio before stretching. Next, don't bounce. Bouncing while stretching can actually cause muscle tears. Hold each stretch steadily, breathing deeply throughout. And finally, listen to your body. Pain is your body's way of saying, stop. Don't push through pain. If you feel any sharp or sudden pain, stop the stretch immediately. Stretch your way to a stronger you. Stretching isn't just about flexibility. It's about building strength from the inside out. Strong muscles are less prone to injuries, allowing you to push harder and achieve your fitness goals. Remember, consistency is key. Make stretching a part of your daily routine, and you'll see amazing results. Fuel your body, fuel your flexibility. What you eat plays a crucial role in your flexibility. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your muscles properly hydrated and pliable. Stay consistent, stay flexible. Consistency is key when it comes to stretching. Make it a habit to stretch daily, even on days you don't work out. Remember, even small amounts of stretching can make a big difference in the long run. You've got this. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a more flexible and healthier you. Remember, consistency is key. Thanks for joining us on Healthy You. We hope you found this information useful, and most importantly, we ask that you share this video with others to help inform those in the world around you and beyond. By sharing knowledge, we can inspire curiosity, ignite conversations, and foster a deeper knowing and understanding. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, drop a comment below. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, keep evolving, and stay healthy.